In our last lesson, we learned about Travis in the blue and Leo in the red and how they were having a problem solving their own problems at recess. One wanted to continue using the swing because he was there first, and the other thought that he had had a long enough turn and wanted to use it at that point. Last time, we watched 3 short videos on what they did to solve their problem, and they were working on not using blaming words such as you always or it's your fault, and giving themselves a chance to calm down before they solve their problem. In our last video, we only really made it through the S in step as far as they were able to say the problem without blaming the other. And today we're going to keep working through the steps on the step chart to help them solve this playground conflict. Today, we need to start with T as far as thinking of solutions that are safe and respectful. Solutions help you solve the problem. They are the ideas that you could do to solve your problem. Your solutions need to be safe and respectful. Take a moment to think about safe. What does that mean? And what should respectful look like? Safe means that no one's bodies or feelings get hurt. Respectful usually means treating others how they wanted to be treated. So when you're being respectful, you're considering how others want to be treated and treating them that way. Focus your attention and listen as Travis and Leo think of solutions. Think of how their solutions are safe and respectful toward each other.
So now what?
S is the first step to success. Hey, that's pretty good. S is success. But it really means say the problem without blame. You did that. The problem is you both want to use the same swing. I'll give you a hint about the next step.
Whoa! I know this one. It's T. Think of solutions.
And not just any solutions, ones that are safe and respectful. There's that word again, respect. So how about it? What ideas can you come up with?
Well, I guess I could just let Leo use the swing for rest or recess. Or we could just play something else. But then neither of us will get what we want. But if we say the swing's just for swinging, then maybe your turn will go faster.
Well, I don't know. Leo likes to twist on the swing. So we have to be respectful of what he wants to do. What's something else you could do?
I could take a turn for all of this recess, and Travis could have his turn next recess.
Yeah, or you could take the first half, and I could take the second half for both recesses.
Those sound, well, safe and respectful. Now it's time for the next step.
Think about the possible solutions that Travis and Leo came up with. Try to think if each one is both safe and respectful. Is there any of the ideas that may work better or worse than the others? Pause the video and take a moment to think about that. The third problem-solving step is E, explore the consequence. A consequence is something that could happen. If you pick a solution, it can be a positive consequence or a negative one. For example, a positive is if Travis lets Leo finish his turn, Leo will feel happy. If Travis lets Leo finish his turn, then Travis will feel sad. Focus your attention and listen as Travis and Leo explore the consequences of their solutions they came up with. Think about if the consequences are a positive, something happy that might happen to them, or a negative consequence, something that might not be so happy that could happen to them.
The next step, it's E.
Brilliant! I guess I'm pretty good at this.
E, explore the consequences.
Consequences. You third graders are getting smarter all the time. So, what does it mean?
I know. It's the if-then step.
Yes! If you do this, then that will happen. The positive and the negative consequences. The good and the bad.
So if I let Leo finish his turn this recess, then he'd be happy.
But you'd be sad, and that's bad.
And you'd be sad if we said your turn could only be for swinging.
And we'd both be sad if we just decided to play something else.
But maybe we'd be happy if we figured out what else we both like to play.
That'd be a good consequence.
Or how about if I finish my turn this recess, and you could take the next recess?
I suppose, but then I would have to wait till next recess. If we took turns this recess, then we both get a turn and we'd be happy.
Maybe we could even take turns all the time.
After listening to those consequences for the solutions the boys chose, try to think back which ones you thought were more positive or good for the boys or negative, not so good for the boys. The last step is P, where they need to pick the best solution out of their list of choices. Think about what solution you would pick if you were in this problem. Turn and tell a partner, if you have one, what you think Leo and Travis will pick.
After you've explored the consequences, it's time for the last step, P. Don't worry, I'm not even going to try to make a P. P is for pick the best solution.
Oh, yeah. I know which one we should pick. We should take turns this recess and next.
Okay, I'll take the first half since I already started.
And I'll take the second half.
Sure, and we can meet here every day.
And you can twist around and I'll swing.
Did Leo and Travis pick the solution you thought they would? By using the STEP, or STEP problem-solving steps, Leo and Travis solved their problem. Now they can both enjoy the swing the way they like best at recess. Today there is no work that is due to me. I just want you to keep working on practicing using the STEP, or STEP problem-solving steps, anytime where you think you want to come up with a better solution with a sibling, a friend, family member, and just keep working on being a wonderful student. All right, see you soon. Bye.